Hey, it's Lauri. If you follow me on the socials, you know I posted a little message about my mother's heavenly birthday today. And the reason I'm coming on to include that piece of information now with this next piece of information is among the things my mother taught me, besides demonstrating unconditional love, is the value in letting your kids fly. She really embodied giving your children wings to fly and roots to come home to. But this time of year, a lot of you out there, and I've been there 4 times, are sending your kids off to college, or you're dealing with a transition from grade school to junior high to high school to college, college to their adult life. And then you look around or look at yourself or your husband or your partner and say, what now? Who am I now? What am I supposed to do now? Well, you're supposed to live your life. You're supposed to let your kids live theirs. If you've done a good job, they should know how to change schools, make new friends, study, all of the things. And the last thing they want when they're also dealing with that transition themselves, wherever they're going, is to have to worry about you when they go. I know I made just a cringy face there, but I'm really trying to impart upon you parents, especially moms. It's your turn, and it always has been, but you might have forgotten doing the mothering thing. You know, if you were raised to think that being a good mother means to give up everything about yourself and what brings you joy and hide your fears, anxieties, or minimize them so you're not showing up authentically, or you were raised to believe that it's selfish to continue doing your workout, hanging out with your friends, within balance. So, any of those things might be coming up now because you've forgotten to live your own life. Maybe they're going to camp this summer for the first time, and all of this stuff is coming up: the worry, the fear, the anxiety. How are they going to make friends? Are they going to be okay? And are you going to be okay all summer long? And then, pretty soon, summer's over, school starts again. And some of you out there, and again, I've been you, you're like, oh my God, they're coming back. I've had such a wonderful summer. Now I have to stop what I'm doing to do this other role again. So that's an indication you've been out of balance, right? The ebbs and flows of real life, kids going to school, kids coming home from school, kids going to camp, kids coming home from camp, getting older, leaving the house, all the things. We need to understand we matter no matter what, and how to reparent yourself no matter what. So reach out to me if any of this is ringing true for you. No judgment. Like I said, I've been there and I've been all of the versions that I'm talking about, which is why I know I can help you figure out your 2.0 version of yourself. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.